I'm going to use this sole that I made from my previous video, and this sole is for 3 to 6 months from heel to toe. It measures 4 inches. I'm going to mark the middle stitch at the heel and the middle stitch at the toe following this midline. I have marked the middle stitches, the middle stitch at the heel and the middle stitch at the toe. I have 52 stitches all round. So I have 25 stitches this side and 25 stitches this side. 25 plus 25, that is 50, plus the marked 2 stitches, 52. I have 25 stitches, so I'm going to use 11 stitches without counting the marked stitch. I will count 11 stitches and mark the 11th stitch. Again, without counting the marked stitch, I will count 11 stitches and mark the 11th stitch. I'm going to work on these stitches. Now I have 23 stitches, 11 plus 11, that is 22, plus this one, those are 23 stitches. I will remove this stitch marker, go through the stitch where I had the stitch marker, but pick one loop only. Each stitch has 2 loops. I'm going to pick one loop only, the one facing away from me, that is the back loop. This will be the outer part of the sole facing me, and this will be the inner part of the shoe. Picking one loop only, I will attach this yarn here, chain 1 and count it as a single crochet in this stitch. Go to the next stitch, you pick one loop only, make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, you pick one loop only and make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, you pick one loop only and make a single crochet. Continue making one single crochet, picking one loop only until you get to this stitch mark. You make one single crochet into every stitch, picking one loop only until you get to this stitch marker. When I get to this stitch marker, I remove it to work on the marked stitch. To begin the next round, round 2, you chain 1 and turn. After turning, beginning from the first stitch, now I'm going through the whole stitch. I'm not picking one loop. Going through the first stitch, make a single crochet. Go through the next stitch, make a single crochet. Go through the next stitch, make a single crochet, and continue making one single crochet into every stitch until you get to this point. One single crochet into every stitch across. To begin round 3 is a repeat of round 2. You chain 1 and turn, make one single crochet into every stitch across. So I'm going to make 23 single crochets across. When you get at the end, you chain 1 and turn, make one single crochet into every stitch across in the 23 stitches, and continue working that way until you get to row 7. I have worked 7 rows, and this is what I have. I have 7 rows of single crochets. I will chain 1 and cut. Then I will come to this side. This is the first stitch I worked. 1, 2, 3. After counting 3 stitches, go through this as a front post single crochet. You work it this way. Chain 1 and count it as a single crochet. Go to this next. Make a single crochet, that is 2. Go to this next. make a single crochet, 3. Then these other stitches, I'm going through the back loops. You pick one loop only, the one facing away from you. You work single crochets across, picking the back loops only, making one single crochet. You pick one loop, the back loop, make one single crochet across until you get to the other side. When you get to the marked stitch, work on this stitch and still return it. We are going to use the stitch marker in the next round. Continue working one single crochet from the back loops until you get to this side. You work one single crochet across from the back loops until you get to this side. Then work 3 front post single crochets the same way we did this other side. You go through this as a front post and make a single crochet. 1, go to the next, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and cut. Then you come to the front here in the marked stitch, this one. Without counting the marked stitch, you count 2 stitches this side and 2 stitches this side plus the marked stitch, those will be 5. So from this marked stitch, I will count 2 stitches to this side. 1, 2. This is where I will attach my yarn. Now I can remove this stitch marker. I chain 1 and count it as a single crochet. Go to the next stitch. I'm going along with this loose end to weave it in. 2, go to the next stitch. 3, go to the next stitch. 4, go to the next stitch. 5. Before turning to begin round 2, I need to add 2 more stitches this side. 1 and 2. So I have ended working on 7 stitches at the front here. To begin round 2, you turn without chaining, skip the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the second stitch, 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them, 1 single crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2, go to the next, 1 single crochet, 3, go to the next, 1 single crochet, 4. The last stitch you make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Before turning to begin round 3, I need to add 2 more stitches this side. 1 and the second stitch, 2. To begin round 3, turn without chaining. After turning, skip the first stitch. After skipping this first stitch, now I have 9 stitches remaining. I'm going to make 9 single crochets across, so I skip the first one, go through the second stitch, make a single crochet, 1, go to the next stitch, 2, go to the next stitch, 3, go to the next stitch, 4, go to the next stitch, 5, go to the next stitch, 6, go to the next, 7, go to the next, 8, go to the last, 9. Before turning to begin round 4, I need to add 2 more stitches this side. 1, 2. To begin round 4, turn without chaining. We work the same way we worked row 3. You skip the first stitch only, then work all the remaining stitches. In round 4, after skipping one stitch, now I have 10 stitches across. I will skip this one, then make 10 single crochets across. 1, go to the next stitch. 2, continue until you finish the 10 stitches. This is 9, and the last stitch 10. Before turning to begin the next round, I'm adding 2 stitches. 1 and the second one 2. Round 4 is complete. To begin the next round, you turn without chaining, skip the first stitch, work in all the remaining stitches, then add 2 more. All the rows are worked that way. The only difference is that as you go, each row increases by 1 stitch before you add 2 more stitches on either sides. The pattern is on the screen. Continue working that way until you get to row 15. At the end of row 15, this is what I have. I will cut a long tail that I will use in sewing together. I'm going to secure this part. I will use this yarn to join across using slip stitches until I get to this side. First, I take it to the inside this way, then slip stitch across. After stitching across, this is what I have. I'm going to weave in this loose end. Then finally, I will attach my yarn here. Make a slip stitch across, slip stitch, until you get to this side. Then cut and weave in the loose ends. This is what I have after slip stitching. I'm done making this. Make another shoe exactly the same way. And that marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like my video. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.